Hey, it's Michelle from MBD Studio. Today we're going over Photoshop's Harmonize tool, which isn't just about fixing lighting. It's about choosing the right lighting for what you're making. Let me show you 3 ways I use it. First, changing the scene. Here I have a studio photo of a woman in a cosplay outfit. When I drop her into a cinematic fantasy background, she looks well dropped in. Harmonize then does the heavy lifting. It relights her so she actually belongs in that world. You'll notice the highlights on her skin, the shadows, even the metallic armor, all start picking up the colors from the environment. With Harmonize, you get 3 variations. This isn't just about adding a background, it's about making the composite believable. Next, changing the look. This starts as a regular product photo, shot in a studio. I add a futuristic space background. Then I run Harmonize to introduce pink and blue lighting onto her face. Here's a key tip. I usually lower the opacity of the Harmonize layer just a little. That keeps the original texture and detail but still gives me the color shift. Then I add the headphones again on a separate layer above and add a pink hue to them. Harmonize doesn't just adjust lighting. It adds environmental color. Finally, changing the light, and this is where variations really matter. I added this image of a basketball player onto a colorful sky image. I ran Harmonize and it provides 3 variations to choose from. These are all from the same image, but each variation emphasizes something different. If I'm selling the jersey, I might choose a variation where the lighting makes the color of the fabric stand out. But if the focus is on the player, I'll use a softer variation where the jersey isn't lit as aggressively. Same image, different goals, different lighting. That's why Harmonize is so powerful. You can get creative with the effect based on intent, not just realism. If this helped, here's more of my quick Photoshop AI tips. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.